households, both alike in dignity, on this fair isle will we lay our scene. Upon the shore of the New World, fresh, hewn, and yet untouched as Eden was before. Oh, the night, she swallowed us alive. Meanwhile, the Montagues set forth with sail from fair Verona to this fresh New World.
How beauteous mankind is.
I found ye in the bottom of the waters. A briny rope you had about your legs that kept you toppled down. 1,000 furies whipped you all about, and life slipped from you gentle, soft, and sweet. You would have died, boy. I saved your very life.
Turn thee, thou Montagues, and look upon thy death. The Tempest brought you to these lands, and here it is that you will go to God.
Good pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much, for palm to palm is holy palmer's kiss.
Oh, then, dear saint, let lips do what hands do. Thus, from my lips by yours, my sin is purged. Who are you, my lord?
A simple friar, that is all.
You all think I am a savage, and I think you are the same. There was more blood with your kind than there was with mine. I will not trust your like.
And yet, you did but save my life.
What sayest, my girl?
I'll look to him, see what stirs.
I am your servant, sir.
Though I may promise nothing.
I will repay my debt.
Oh, come, let me go!
I'm from Savannah, Georgia, and we're just here visiting Miami, leave with a knowledge of, you know, a little bit more of the history.
This was fabulous, absolutely fabulous. Perfect combination of Romeo and Juliet and the Tempest.
Really brilliant. I mean, so many different talents working together. I really appreciate it.